Hello, Lighter. If you have been watching my channel and following, you will know that I stopped posting actually Japanese videos. Earlier, I used to record a lot of Japanese videos. I was learning Japanese actually. So I used to record then and there few Japanese words as I learn. Like as I used to do for German, right? So some phrases, some verbs, whatever I learned, whatever I wanted to share, I used to record randomly. But for past few months, maybe you would have noted that I stopped recording. I stopped posting any videos of Japanese. The reason being, I actually have that interest of learning, but I am not able to learn. Something is. I'm feeling bored of it. When I try to open the book, I feel sleepy, or I feel really something is uh, something is not going well. But I really have the intention of restarting it. Anyways, I have to read it, but I don't know when I might reopen. Earlier, when I used to learn German, I had the same type of when you are too much into a language, when you immerse your brain into a language, you start feeling heavy. Your brain, it is your what to say, all these words will be going in your brain continuously. Your brain will be restless. That's the right term to tell actually. So you'll start feeling like something is happening in your brain. It is continuously working or continuously doing, thinking about something. So that's how it was when I started learning German. But after some time, actually it took months. It is not days, it is after certain months that I was able to, when I got that grip right, my brain started feeling close to the words and the pronunciation, the Aussprache. But that is when I actually started loving the language. So I think the time has not come for Japanese. So I have closed it multiple times. I have closed it. I started earlier in 2022. Actually, in 2012, that's the first time I started Japanese, and then I closed it, and then again I started, and again I closed it. Wow, the climate is so nice. It's a breeze has started coming in. Wind is actually coming in, not breeze, wind. So again I started second time. I went for class and I couldn't. The teaching was not to the level of my brain's adaptation. Like everyone will have their own way of looking at things or understanding. So it was not for my level. So I couldn't continue. I couldn't learn. But after 1 year, uh, 1 to 1.5 years, I actually first time started feeling good about Japanese. That's when I first time understood the fundamentals of kanji, fundamentals of hiragana, katakana. It took almost 1.5 to 2 years, no 1.5 years. But again, I was very active. I actually subscribed in many of online forums, online tutoring websites. I stopped it again. Today again I got the trigger that I have to start reading it sometime. Let's see if you also have such feeling, if you also undergo such thing in learning a language. Just do let me know in comments, and how you are handling it, just let me know. But other than that, definitely I will be starting. I don't know, maybe today, 6 months down the line, 1 year, 2 year, I don't know when it is going to happen, but sometime definitely I will be continuing to learn the Japanese. Actually, I know hiragana, katakana, and kanji. I was not kanji, not that much. That's just few kanjis. I used to write a lot and check, but abruptly I just stopped everything. Okay, no, not an issue. This is not, as I used to tell my children in who learn German, right? That language is something you should like, love, and learn. You should not force your brain. So if your brain is not ready to adapt today, not an issue, definitely. Just tell to it that that's okay. It all happens. We are all human, and we have lots of work. So if you're not able to grasp it today, then that's okay. It's perfectly all right. Just that one day, slowly brain will take its own time. It all takes its own time. It is all different. So it's going to work out. Okay, so I just wanted to record the my mind talk. So yeah, I'll catch you up in another video. Deutsch is there einfach. Nihongo wa kantan desu.